First problem, evaluate sine 18 degrees by cos 72 degrees. Now we are going to use the complementary angle formula for all the 4 problems, and for that matter in the whole exercise of 8.3 we will be using the trigonometric ratios and complementary angles. So here if you clearly observe, leave about the sine and cos, if you add 72 and 18 it is 90 degrees. 64 plus 26 is also 90 degrees. 48 plus this is 42. 48 plus 42 is 90 degrees. 31 plus 59 is 90 degrees. Now clearly we can use the complementary angle formulas. Now here we will write sine 90 minus 72 divided by cos 72 degrees. Now why we are writing? Now sine 18 we can write as 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 is nothing but 18 degrees. So this is sine 90 minus 72 and will not change the cos value, that is we are not changing the denominator value, and this is not a hard and fast rule, or this is not mandatory that you need to only change the numerator. You can also change the denominator also, that is you can also write cos 90 minus 18. Cos 90 minus 18 is 72, but keep one thing very clear in your mind, that you are only changing either the denominator or the numerator. If you are changing the numerator, you are not changing the denominator, and vice versa. So here since we are changing the numerator, we are not changing the denominator. So as per the formula we have sine 90 minus a is equal to cos a. So here sine 90 minus a value is here 72. So we will write cos a, that is cos 72 degrees by cos 72 degrees, which is equal to 1. Both gets cancelled, we can write it as 1. So we are changing, now 18 is written as 90 minus 72 and we are converting this into sine 90 minus a, which is equal to cos a, and cos a by cos a is equal to 1. In similar way, we will change the numerator value, that is tan 26. We get the value of 26 only when we subtract 90 minus 64. Now you can blindly write the value in the denominator, subtract the value in the denominator from 90. So denominator, we are changing the numerator, so we are not changing the denominator. We know that tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a. So this whole numerator value can be written as cot 64 degrees by, since we are not changing the denominator, we can write it as it is. So here also cot 64 degrees and cos 64 degrees gets cancelled. Here the value is again 1. In your math, in trigonometry, 8.3 is the only exercise which is dead easy. Okay, now here also clearly if you can observe, and here also we have two values, cos 48 and cos 42. You have to either change cos 48 or sin 42. So for easily doing this problem, we convert the first value. So cos 48 can be written as 90 degrees minus second value. Second value is 42. So 90 degrees minus 42 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. So this we know that cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Here sin a value is 42, a value is 42. So cos 90 minus a, that is cos 90 minus a can be written as sin 42 minus sin 42 degrees. So this gets cancelled, this is value 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Same way cosecant 31 and 59. So 59 plus 31 is 90 degrees. So we will change the first value, that is cosecant 90 minus second value. We get 31 only when we subtract 59 from 90. So this will be 90 degrees minus 59 degrees minus. Second value we are not changing. We are writing as it is. So here we know that cosecant 90 minus A is equal to secant A. So cosecant 90 minus A is secant A. A value is 59. So we can write secant 59 minus secant 59. Again, this plus secant 59 and minus secant 59 gets cancelled. We get the value 0. So this completes the first problem.